Hi everybody, it's Duncan here. Welcome to the Law of Attraction Manifesting. So it's great to see you all. This is a really important subject of me. I've been doing yoga for decades. I write books on yoga. Um, Manifesting is a natural part of what I do. Um, so yeah, it's great to see you. Now, the law of attraction is really important and it's very dear to my heart. Um, right now, we've attracted our life up to this point with our thoughts and feelings. Okay, so it's be mindful each day of what you're thinking because you just don't know what you can attract. Um, we're actually been given this innate ability. Animals have um, nests, and naturally they have all the fur, wings, claws, adaptations to feed. We don't have that so much, but we've got imagination and our thought and our ability to think, and our creative side is really important. So, for example, your thoughts are the electrical charge that goes into the out, and our feelings, emotions, the way we feel, pulls in magnetically. So we're living magnets of what we're attracting constantly into our lives. So what we've got to do is to do with the primary law, which the law of attraction didn't talk about a lot, is the law of vibration, which underpins or underlies the law of attraction. So your vibration equals what you get in life. So, for example, if you've got a big crush on this um, beautiful goddess or beautiful Adonis, um, and they're really healthy, happy, and spiritual, intelligent, and they've got an athletic body, and you see them and you're like, wow, they're amazing, and you're attracted to them. You're attracted to their vibration, their the way they're resonating, their energy. Um, they're vibrating at a very high frequency, for example. But if you're on the couch drinking Coke and playing video games and eating Twinkies and chocolate and potato chips, and you've got this vision of your soulmate, and you're overweight and depressed, and your vibrations down here and their vibrations up here. So the law of vibration applies. You're not in the same frequency as the person that you're desiring. Your frequency's down here. So it's just exactly like cell phones, guys. When you're ringing a number, it's got a particular frequency that your cell phone rings, and you guys resonate. Your telephone resonates with that frequency. Okay. Quantum physics or science says we're all energy. We're energy. So being mindful of constantly tuning your energy in. So to have that soulmate, then you've got to constantly tune in your vibration each day to suddenly it resonates, and then you're resonating with your soulmate. So that's a really important key, and it's something that a lot of people don't realize. Why isn't this working? I've stopped for a week, and I've stopped eating Twinkies and chocolate and drinking Coke and playing video games, and why hasn't it happened? Because your frequency takes a while to resonate with that person. So it's really interesting, and I'm fascinated with it. I've got a science background. I've written 5 novels, and I've got like 18 books online. I've also got a yoga channel, and I also taught yoga schools. So this is perfect for the way I look at life. And so we've got practical steps to raise your vibration. So one of the steps is, which a lot of athletes do, world-class athletes or just athletes, they visualize their perfect life. They visualize themselves with their partner, or they visualize the abundance flowing into their life, and they feel as if it's happened right now. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing you can do is scripting, which is really, really powerful too. Actually writing down, I am abundant financially now, or I am earning $1,000 a day online now. And scripting that, like writing it out 33 times a day. 33 is a master number. I won't go into that, that's another story. But also when you're doing that, writing out your intention, flip on some frequency music. The 432 hertz is the frequency of the earth and us. So it's really conducive. You're creating the environment to manifest a lot quicker. Okay, so you've got visualizing, scripting, and then you've got to believe that you're worthy, guys. Because a lot of people do all this great stuff and then they self-sabotage, because you've got to actually believe and write down, I am worthy of receiving this. I am worthy of having a soulmate in my life. And so you've got to actually believe it to in every fiber and every cell and every part of your body and mind. You've really got to believe that. So you've got to mentally go through that you actually are worthy. We're all worthy of receiving. Okay, so that's, and then you've also got you've got the gratitude. Okay, so you've got to have gratitude for things. So when I wake up in the morning, I'll give thanks to the roof over my head, my health, my wealth, just giving thanks to the creator or the energy or whatever, and that puts you in a state, a high frequency. Okay, so you've got to give gratitude, be thankful that you've received that, be thankful where you're at, and that's, gratitude's really important. So you've got visualizing, scripting, you've got to believe it, and you've also got to show gratitude. Okay, because after all, what you're doing is we're actually magnets of constantly sending out and pulling in what we desire. So what you've got to do is you've got to lift your vibration and align your vibration with your intent, what you want, by scripting. You've got to align your vibration with visualizing, and you've got to align your vibration with believing. Okay, and you've also got to align your vibration with gratitude. Now, there's two main parts. You've got your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. Now, your conscious mind is like the finite mind. It's basically constantly filtering out information, and then it's dropping it into your subconscious mind. When you're a baby, believe it or not, your subconscious mind, your filter, your conscious mind is wide open. That's why babies grow and take on information at a huge rate. Now, what you've got to do, your subconscious mind has been programmed by negative, from your parents. They might have had negative sayings like money doesn't grow on trees, or the news you're hearing, or they're limiting you. You're actually an infinite being. And what you want to do is you want to delete your subconscious programming that's no longer serving you, guys, and you want to reinstall a beautiful program that's you're going to live your to your full potential, your dream life, be with your soulmate, and really lift your vibration. And you've got to program that into your subconscious mind, and that goes with the tools I've given you. You're visualizing, you're scripting, you're believing, and your gratitude. So that's what you want to do, because what happens is your paradigm's constantly playing in the background, and 95% of your day is controlled by your subconscious programming. So that's why it's really important, guys, to actually reprogram. Constantly feed yourself good information. Stay away from negative people. Don't watch news, or don't take on board alcohol or drugs that's going to pull you down and lower your vibration, because then you're going to be a disparity between your vibration and where you want to be. Okay, so become the magnet that you desire, that's constantly pulling in your dream life, guys. And I hope this helped. Below I've got some links. I've got a link to one of my novels I've written and a few other links to help you out on your path. And also, it was awesome to see you guys. Subscribe, put a like, a comment of what you think. This is Duncan, and I'll catch you soon.